not to be considered as an infringement for the purposes of this act. Now, what that acts as? Any act of making, constructing, using, selling or importing a patented invention solely for a uses reasonable related to the development and submission of information required under any law of the time being forced in India or in a country other than India that regulates the manufacture, construction, use, sale, import of that particular product. Okay. So, you can just go into the details, but I will just explain this particular detail that 107A says that relief, what that relief is, that for any purpose, if some law is there, some requirement is there, some other proceedings are there or some discussion in parliament is going on and related to that. Suppose there is a requirement of use of this patent and there is necessity to do the some like make, use, sale, whatever the rights are there, if that that are kind of a use or that has been by the for that purpose, that particular purpose which is like a government is requiring to just examine that particular thing, and if that rights of a patentee are hampered because of this, then this is not kind of a considered as an infringement.